I'm going to show you a total of 6 free different apps in this video that can each pay you up to $1,000 in a single day. You can start making money from literally any country in the world as soon as you download all of them onto your mobile phone and begin using them immediately. If you want to make your first $1,000 in a single day, you need to make sure that you watch the entire video all the way until the end so that you can get all these 6 apps that make money. People from all over the world are cashing out real money using these apps, so you should give it a go too. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $766 by trying these 6 money-making apps. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Now, let's start with the first app, which is called AdWallet. You can now go to the website adwallet.com. So basically, all you have to do to make money on this app is watch videos and different ads. You'll get paid to watch videos from different brands, and each interaction takes only a few minutes and is worth up to $3. So every time you watch a video, you get $3. You can also tell other people about us and get $1 per referral. And this is not hard at all. Okay, for example, if you want to watch a video, you just click the play button and the video starts. You can now do this on your phone or computer. You'll get paid real money when you're done watching the videos. People from all over the world cash out using the many different ways to pay that are available everywhere. You can start getting your money. There are no tricks to getting your money, and they pay you in cold hard cash. There's no point system being used. They'll just give you your cash right away. So if you want to sign up for a free account right now, all you have to do is click the sign up button at the top of the page. 5-Minute Profit Pages is the name of the second app I want to show you today. So this app will make it easy for you to earn $300 a day in commissions. They just need to be plugged in and used. With the click of a button, they will make money pages for you that will do all the selling for you. Basically, you don't have to sell anything, refer to anyone, or sell to anyone. You also don't need any technical skills. Everything can be done in just 2 steps. Now that you're in the app, all you have to do is copy and paste your affiliate links into the system, which is step number 1. Step 2 is to just click on that to turn the system on. Step 3 is that you can simply get your commission every day. You'll get results and make a lot of commissions because these platforms have a lot of different products that you can promote and earn commission on. For example, they might show you a long list of different products and tell you how much your average commission will be. You can actually sell all of these products and have the commissions go straight into your account every day. And when they do that, even brand new beginners can get results. Now, I'll show you Cash Karma, the third app I want to show you. Now, it goes without saying that this website will give you free cash and free gift cards. All you have to do is sign up for the app and log in every day. You just have to check in and log into your account, and if you complete different surveys, you'll get extra rewards as well. One thing about the Cash Karma though is that they will give you 300 points right away. Once you download the app, they'll give you 3 points for free, which is worth $3 without you having to do anything. So once you earn 3 points in Cash Karma, you can turn them into PayPal money, cash, or different Amazon gift cards. So you can get different badges by doing many different things on this app. You can, for example, do different offers, watch various videos, refer to other people, or fill out simple surveys. You can just do a Google search for AutoClicker to find it. Autofield and AutoClicker. Over 60,000 people are using this right now. So basically, this Chrome extension will help you sign up for different services with just 1 click. You can see exactly how it works by going to this page and watching the tutorial. By filling out different surveys with the ad, you can earn points automatically, which you can turn into real money. Okay, before I go to the 4th app, let me just ask you, if you're interested in having a side hustle like this, you know what, let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. So let's move on to the 4th app, which is called Money SMS. You just have to go to moneysmsapp.com. So this is basically a free app for Android. You can download this to your Android phone And when you get an SMS from the system, you can automatically make money online. So this app does work on your Android phone. Now this app basically lets you make money online for free and automatically. You don't have to pay anything to get started. And there aren't any hidden costs either. You can even tell other people about this app and get 30% of what they make. So again, you can get this app by going to moneysmsapp.com. Every time you get a text message, you'll also get money. You don't have to do anything with the message. For one thing, you don't have to buy anything or even click anything. You can just get the messages and then delete them to keep getting your money. The idea here is really easy to understand. As soon as you earn money, it will show up on your balance and you can cash it out right away in a number of ways that are available in your country. So this is a great way to make money without doing anything. Just sign up for Money SMS and receive text messages. Moving on to the next app, which actually goes by the name affiliatelistbot.com. This app, in a nutshell, will make it easier for you to earn $576 in commission from a variety of affiliate networks each and every day, such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the Amazon Affiliate Program. This is a website and app that are completely done for you. You have the potential to make the full commission and even from free traffic. You are not required to spend any money on the advertisements, and you are not required to have any social media followers or subscribers. This is actually very easy to use for beginners. So simply put, they will assist you in promoting a variety of ClickBank products and earning commissions online. This is the primary function that it serves. You do not need any prior experience to accomplish this goal. So let's move on to the last app you can use to make money online without doing anything. GetPaid2.com. So on this site, you can do a lot of easy things. For example, you could fill out surveys, play games, watch videos, and do a lot of other things. And anyone from anywhere in the world can join for free in this website. Now, the idea here is really easy to understand. So on this site, you can do different tasks and earn points. $1 is worth 5,000 points, and you can turn your points into real money and cash out what you've made. Now let's say you want to play games on this website. There are many games you can play and they are all free. So when you're done playing, they will give you the points and turn them into real money. You can also do different services besides playing games. They have different high-paying surveys from different companies all in one place. You can just go do that, and you can also use auto-clicker and autofill with this strategy. Again, you can use the same method with an auto-clicker, which will help you fill out surveys automatically, so you can make money without doing anything. So besides taking surveys, you can do different offers. Watch different videos, click on different ads right on this website. They'll pay you for every click you make, and it's actually pretty easy. You can get paid by just watching videos of different ads. So again, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this button that says Join Free Today, and that will take you to a page where you can sign up for free. And there you have it. So now that you know all of this information, are you ready to earn more? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!